I'm sorry, guys. I talk by myself. I don't even turn on my camera. Okay, I get this four spoon of this sauce right here. Okay, cocktail sauce, seafood dipping. I'm gonna make this seafood dipping and go eat with seafood. I'm gonna go waterfront in DC. I show you to go into seafood market. Okay, 4 spoon of this cocktail sauce and wasabi. This is wasabi right here. Okay, and about just what you see right here, I would say 1 spoon, 1, 2, 3 of this ingredient I'm gonna make together. Okay, and this Lao hot sauce right here. This is Lao hot sauce, and this I make my own. I provide in the Thai market. I sell Thai market. So what I do, this sauce too sweet for me. I have to mix. I have to fix it. That's the reason why I come up with these 3 ingredients right here. Okay, now my hot sauce right here. I'm gonna go ahead squeeze it here. Just taste first. If more spicy, I always add on more. But right now I'm gonna go ahead mix. We're gonna go dipping seafood in the waterfront today. Enjoy today Sunday, guys. Okay, and mix it just like that and taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste. Oh my god, so good. Ooh, it's bomb.com, huh? It's bomb.com. Add on more. I want more spice, guy, and I want more sauce. Loosen out. Look, this ingredient right here, I come up on my own because I want to eat spicy. This spicy wasabi. There's not spicy, but different kind of spice. Okay, this is the root, and this is hot cherry pepper. I make this. Okay, and I mix with this, and I bought this last night. You can buy this one at the market. Okay, and what you do, you got this one right here and this one right here, 2 of this, and you can mix them together. Okay, now the sauce already mixed right now. I'm gonna taste. Oh my god, it's bomb.com. Ooh, so good. Guys, you don't believe this sauce right here. Crazy good. My goodness. That's crazy good. All you have to do, just 3 of ingredients right here, okay? So good. It's bomb.com, guys. You don't believe. Oh my god. I wish you could take this sauce with me. So good. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in my jar. This is my bottle. I used to put my salt all the time. I'm gonna go ahead put. Okay, hold on. Fill up this salt in here in the jar right here. See that? Oh man, this is awesome. I wish I can share with you all, guys. I don't believe it. This is so good. This sauce is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and make up. Okay, guys, let's go eat seafood. Let's follow me, okay? I'm gonna show you how to go eat seafood because they don't have a good sauce. You have to add up to make on your own because no way can nobody sell my sauce right here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna add on my hot sauce some more. Never go wrong with add on some more my hot sauce, okay? Can't go no wrong, okay? That's it. Right there. It's nothing, but it's so good. So good. Alright. Okay, I got the top. Go ahead. See that? Oh my god, look at this. Almost look the same as sauce right here, but this have the sauce I mix with cocktail sauce. So become 2 cocktail sauce dipping. Okay, I'm gonna put label. Okay, it's my label. Okay, I'm gonna put my label because I make this sauce. This is my sauce, right? Because I make this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Okay, this is bomb.com. look at this. And I have the back label too. When you do business, you gotta let them know, you know, what's and what. So that's what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead, put them here. Okay guys, there you go. Let's go eat seafood and it's all ready. Oh my god, awesome, right? Awesome. Look at this. Okay, let's follow me. All of this put back in the refrigerator, and I always can do over and over, okay? Back refrigerator, I show you how to do this. My secret of mix up salt to dipping with seafood. Okay, let's go.
On the top.